Welcome back everybody to the channel. Today we are moving some hay, so I thought I'd bring you guys along. This is end of season hay. We'll use it just for cows, but came across it on Marketplace and it was perfect for us. So got 10 here at this location. We're gonna try to get moved here this morning. And then we'll see how the day goes, and there's upwards of 30 bales I'm gonna try to get today. But yeah, stay tuned and follow along. Well, that's round two. Catch you at the unloading. Well, we're starting a third trip here. I don't think I mentioned that we're borrowing the neighbor's tractor here. It's a D17. Really good machine for moving hay, but you see the piles going down, so let's see if we can get these last three loaded on the trailer. Now that was loud, but I sure enjoyed that. I enjoy running these old machines. Well, let's go ahead and get these strapped down, and we'll go unload them at the house. Well, now that I got the hay at the house, we gotta set some out for the cow. So I thought I'd bring you along for that stuff. Just a little bit of everything today. Well, we got the tractor back to the neighbor's house and got his trailers hooked back up, and looks like we're gonna call it a day for moving hay. I was able to get 10 bales moved today, so I think I'm gonna put some other things I got going around the farm in this video. Probably go check on the mare and the foal, and thought we'd check in on baby Stella. She's a few days old now. Got some long legs that are filly foal. And Mama Spirit here tolerating us. See if she'll let me get close enough here to pet on her some. Nope. She says, no way, Jose. No. Trying to eat. Well, I guess we're gonna follow around in the pen here for a second. Playing peekaboo. There you go, good girl. Oh, good girl. Yeah, she's doing real well. Wagging that tail. Well, if you like our content, please make sure you're sharing it. We're trying to grow the channel, and like and subscribe. We're trying to get our viewership up. So you've noticed we've really been posting steadily on the content. That, and there's been a lot going on around here at the farm, that is for sure. But we really appreciate everybody leaving comments, so let us know what you think about baby Stella here. And we'll go ahead and sign off with this video here. Short and sweet, and we'll let her get back to eating. But until next time, thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day.